Alyssa here from Sena, and today we have a new series of devices that cater to very specific needs of certain riders. This is the Sena SF series.
Configuration menu. Your headset is paired.
For those of you that may not be the biggest fan of that signature Sena jog dial, but maybe you're more a fan of the simple and sleek 3-button system like on the 10R. The SF series is that super sleek 3-button system that easily attaches to the helmet with a quick release mount, allows for quick charging, audio overlay, and the battery is actually integrated all into this, so you don't need that separate external battery like you do with the 10R systems. All of the SF series now also have audio overlay, different from audio multitasking, very close, but let's explain it a little bit more. With audio multitasking, Intercom goes over the music or GPS as the Intercom takes priority. With audio overlay, essentially two different sources with the same level volume. The Sena SF series also feature quick charging. It only takes an hour and a half to charge a device completely, so that means for every 30 minutes of charging, that's 4 hours of talk time, getting you on the road even in a hurry. Let's take a look at this series some more by starting with the SF1. This is for that solo single rider or perhaps commuter that still wants to have their phone, music, GPS, and even take phone calls all at the tip of their fingers, but has no desire to ever talk with anyone else. Maybe you don't need a Sena for a big group of people, but maybe just something for you and your passenger. Bring on the SF2. The SF2 takes it a step further with the one-to-one intercom. And you can also share FM music. It's really best if you're riding with a passenger. And maybe you have an occasional friend or two that wants to join in as well, then check out the SF4. This allows for 4-way intercom. With any of the SF series, you can connect to your phone and use the Sena utility app to easily configure settings without having to go through the whole configuration menu on the device. All of the SF series devices come with 2 different clamps, an adhesive if you have an extra thick helmet, and the quick release clamp that's very easy to transfer from helmet to helmet. They also come with 2 different mics, allowing you to even use it on an open-faced helmet. The SF series is a simple, tailored solution for specific riders, like the solo rider that doesn't need to talk to anyone, or a small group of riders that just get together on the weekends. This is an easy solution with quick charging, audio overlay, and the quick release clamp that might lend itself well to training situations. The user's guide can be found on Sena.com, and check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more product previews, tricks, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching!